Here is one of the most common Edexcel trigonometry questions. Do you know how to tackle this for 3D trigonometry? So we've been asked to find the angle between AH and the plane ABCD. So first of all, let's draw AH. We also need to know how to identify the angle between a line and a plane. It's not this. With 3D trig, your triangles inside will always be either completely flat or completely vertical. As you can see here, the angle is kind of almost at a diagonal, so that won't be it. What we need to do is whenever they mention a plane, draw a line diagonally through it. Obviously, I'm going to use the corner A to help me because that relates to AH as well. So the angle I want is here. Do you see how that's a triangle completely vertical stood up inside the cuboid? This is obviously also a right angle triangle. So as you can see, we can label our cuboid with the measurements they've given us as well. So as you can see, we have only got one piece of information about the triangle ACH, which is the height 8.1. In order to find an angle, we need two sides. So I need to figure out one more side of the triangle ACH, either AH or AC. As the other information we've been given is based on this triangle on the base of the cuboid, ABC, it's going to be easier to work out the side AC. So I can use trig to work out the side AC using that base triangle. Sometimes it's helpful to draw the triangles just as 2D shapes on your page. We want to work out AC, so as you can see, we've been given the opposite. We want to work out the hypotenuse. That means we need to use sin. To work out the hypotenuse, I need to do the opposite divided by sin of the angle 48, which gives me 9.823 ... Keep all those decimals in your calculator for later. Now we can come back to our original triangle ACH. We now have two sides, so we can work out the angle. So using trig again, labeling the sides, I've got the opposite and the adjacent now, which means tan. Tan is opposite divided by the adjacent. When I type this into my calculator, instead of writing 9.823, I'm going to use my answer button to copy all of the decimals from the previous answer. To find an angle, I need to use tan inverse and then answer so I don't lose any of the decimals. So my final answer is 39.5 to 1 decimal place. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where you can find full videos going through everything that we've just seen.